Just wanted to make a review on this glue. I purchased it from China and it cost me about $130 and plus shipping about $70, and it was like 3 kilos weight, so the total cost was about $200. It's known as a 3-component glue, because it comes in 3 different bottles, and basically you mix them together and you create your own glue, tape hair glue. The instruction was given to me also. It simply says that ABC liquids to be mixed in the proportion like 2:1:3, and A is a curing agent as I say it, B is a softening agent, and the C is a hard glue. That's what it says in the description of these glues. So we start putting some hairs on the scotch tape, and we have a baking paper on the table so the glued hair ponytails does not get stuck on the table. We will try to test these glue on several types of hair tapes, and one of them is going to be sewn hair tape, and another one is going to be lace based hair tape, and the last one is going to be just a simply glued hair tape. So there's like 3 types I'm going to make right now. The glue application is pretty simple. We're just simply spreading the glue with a putty knife on the hair, as you see it right now here. And as you already noticed, there are several types of hair tapes we will be working on. Previous was sewn tape, and there's here you'll see lace based tape here, and then just a simple hair glued tape here. So we can test the different types of hair tapes with this glue. The glue shall be applied from both sides, and it dries in about like 3-4 hours, pretty quickly. So the result is pretty expected. The base of the tape is held by glue very well. When we stretch the tape to opposite directions, the hair glued belt stays with no change, and if you do the same stretching to empty based hair tape, then the belt is going to be simply torn. So basically the glue is very similar to one that I usually purchase from my local shoe repair shop for about $20, and I think this glue simply not worth paying $200. I would just stick to my own glue, which I usually buy from my local shoe repair shop. So I advise you to find the best glue from your local shoe repair shop. Don't go with this 3-component glue, because it's gonna cost you a lot, and it does exactly the same job as your glue from your shoe repair shop. And thank you for your attention. Hope this was helpful, and stay safe.